Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 19, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. Column B, sixth row, we have 7. So 7 can come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can come these cells. It will come in the 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 5th row and 7th row. And then column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 5. Column C, we have 8. 5th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column G, we have pair numbers 3 and 2. So 3 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in the 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 7. 5th row and 6th row, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 8, 9. 3rd row, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can come these cells. It will come in the 2 cells. Column F, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 9. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 5, 7. 9th grade, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 4th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8 and 6. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 8th row, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 6. Third row and fourth row we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Fourth row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column D, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Second row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column D, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. First grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column C, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column C, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column G, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column E, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column J, only 1 numbers are remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Ninth row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Third row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column F, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Eighth row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Eighth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column D, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Ninth row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column D, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column B, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.